Hey guys, this is your friend Adrian. Once happy 4th of July for sure. Hope y'all enjoying yourself. All this madness going on with this coronavirus. Just want to talk to you guys for 2020 because you know that these jobs are not secured, especially what's going on right now. So I'm gonna give you three things that I am doing in 2020, guys. First thing I'm doing is learning how to make passive residual income. And that's with my marketing system, guys. The second income stream I have is instant cash, member to member payments, guys. And the third one, guys, is the Forex market. So if you see my channel, you'll see instant cash, you'll see my marketing system, and you see a lot of Forex videos, guys. Them the three things that I'm focused on for 2020. The reason why, guys, is because I know there's going to be a lot of jobs out here that going to be canceled because of this corona stuff. And you want to start learning how to get this income, guys, that you can work for yourself and make your income. And you don't have to depend on a job. Because I know the movie theaters and employees losing a lot of money because they're not working because movie theaters ain't open. I know that the hotel industry, employees losing money because they're not open like that. I know the airline industry is losing employees losing a lot of money because a lot of people ain't flying because some states you gotta when you go there you gotta quarantine for 14 days and so who gonna want to travel and gotta stay in a hotel or whatever they at for 14 days. So there's a lot of industries losing a lot of money, guys. Now, if you follow me, guys, it's three things that I'm doing. My marketing system pay passive residual income every Friday. Like yesterday was Friday, I got paid, right? You know, that's passive residual income. Uh, my instant cash comes whenever I promote my instant cash like that. And that can be passive residual income also, guys, what I'm doing. And the Forex market is you don't have to recruit no one. All you have to do is learn that type of skill set and you can make money on demand, guys. This is a little quick little video from your boy Adrian. Just want to shout out to y'all on the 4th of July weekend. Make sure y'all stay safe and happy 4th of July, guys. And you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want more information, guys, what I'm doing, just comment below, and I'll send you something, guys. I'll send you what I'm doing, guys. All right, guys. Once again, it's your friend Adrian. Always love, always peace. Love, baby. Peace.